Right now, as a web designer, if you want to grow your business and make a lot of money, you've kind of got to lean into the excitement of AI. Just a slight adjustment to your messaging or your offer can make a massive difference. So instead of just offering web design services, you can offer AI optimized websites that rank on ChatGPT and other AI models. This is the type of stuff that business owners are talking about and worrying about. So gearing your offer towards that excitement and fear is the best way for you to stand out and get new clients. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to offer AI SEO optimization as a service. It's really simple, even if you have no SEO experience. And this is a service that you can sell with confidence because it is really valuable to your clients. And it's going to set them up for success as search continues to change and evolve. So with this service, there are really two options. You can add it as a bonus to your current website offer, which is going to make it easier for you to sell websites because you are leaning into the AI SEO optimization. And then the second option is for you to sell it as a standalone service. And this is going to be most effective if you're reaching out to past clients that you've already built their website and offering them this AI SEO optimization. Now, if you don't have past clients, that's okay because this is also something that you can sell to your family and friends or anyone with a business or a website. Now, this service is something that you can charge a lot for because the return can be huge for your clients. And in just a minute, I'll show you how to price it. All right, so AI SEO is very similar to traditional SEO. If you want to get mentioned by search engines or AI models, you need to have a good website, good content, good reputation, the right keywords, and authority, which comes from backlinks. Those are the same core pillars that are going to get any website to rank. Now, the cool thing about AI is there are also AI tools that can do most of this work for you. So in reality, you offering this service, you're really just quarterbacking the whole thing. As long as you have the right process, you know what to do, and you have the right tools, all you're really doing is overseeing AI do all of the work. So you just follow this process that I'm about to share with you, your clients get more traffic, and you get paid. All right, so the first thing you need is the checklist. You need to know exactly what to do. So I created a free checklist that gives you everything step by step with resources, copy and paste prompts, so you can click the link down below this video and get that for free, and then come back and we'll continue. So you've got the checklist, now you need the right tools. If you want to get the best results without spending a fortune, all you need is Claude and Clicks.so. These two tools together should only be about $40 to $50, and this is going to give you everything you need to charge thousands every month for this service. It's not necessary to pay for the highest Claude plan or to pay for one of those expensive SEO tools like SEMrush because Claude and Clicks are going to give you more than enough. So once you have the tools in place, then you just go through the checklist. Now I'll be creating a deeper walkthrough of this entire checklist, how to do everything, to answer any questions, but most of it is pretty straightforward. Just follow the checklist, use the resources, and this is going to get easier and easier the more times you do it. Now, the most important part of this entire process is adding your site to Clicks.so. Once your site is added, you just run a site health audit and an AI visibility audit, and this is going to give you step-by-step everything you need to change, fix, adjust on your website to make sure you get perfect scores and your site is really rankable. You'll also want to add keywords and prompts to your tracker so you can see exactly where you rank for all of the different questions asked in all of the different models. Not only is this the easiest way to track your progress, but also report on that progress to your clients. Just simply going through those suggestions provided by Clicks is a service worth thousands of dollars. All right, so let's talk about how to sell this. Your clients need to understand why it's important that they show up on these AI chats. Every day, more and more searches are being done on these AI models, and the traffic that comes from these AI chats converts 2 times better than other organic traffic. It's also important because Google's AI overview is showing up on more and more searches. So if you don't optimize for that, you're just going to continue to lose organic traffic. So your job is to help them understand the importance of this and then show them that you have an easy and affordable solution to help them start showing up on those AI chats. Now, as far as pricing, I recommend you charge $3,000 to $5,000 for a sprint, which should only take about 1 to 2 months. And then you'll also want to charge an ongoing fee of at least $500 to continue to maintain and optimize. And in the checklist, you'll have all of the things that you need to do month over month to keep up with this service. Now, the easiest way to get your first client for this is reaching out to past clients that you already built their website. So below this video, I pasted the exact email that I've been sending to my past clients to offer this service. The email says, "Hey John, you might have seen all the buzz about this online, but SEO and search is changing a lot right now because more people are using AI tools like ChatGPT to search for businesses like yours. This is a really critical time to adjust for these big changes, so we're offering an AI SEO sprint to help you start showing up more on those AI chat tools. No pressure, but I think you will find it extremely helpful. Would you have some time to hop on a quick call so I can show you how it all works?" This email is simple, to the point, it doesn't put too much pressure on them, but it's a really easy way to find your first client. AI SEO is the best service to offer right now because it's so popular, but there are also so many ways for you to upsell and provide more value to your clients. As you get better at this, as you understand more how it works, you can charge upwards of $5,000 a month for a full AI SEO campaign. So taking the time to learn this process and then improve your skills is one of the most valuable things you can do right now as a web designer. Now, if you want me to go more in depth about the execution of this checklist, just let me know down in the comments and I can create a full walkthrough. Also, if you're watching this video and you're already offering these types of services, please share some of your experience down in the comments. We would really love to learn from you. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.